Carrie, your independent Norwex sales consultant, and I'm going to talk to you about how to properly launder your cloths. Your cloths will pick up to 99% of bacteria, dust, dirt, and grime when used properly and taken care of properly. And what that means is that they need to be laundered, and the best way to launder them is with Norwex detergent, but you can also use free and clear detergent. So the Norwex offers a powder detergent as well as a liquid laundry detergent. I thus far have tried the powder detergent. You use so little of it. It's amazing. It comes with this scoop. For a small load, you use about that much. For a small to medium load, I use a teaspoon. For a large load, I use about 2 teaspoons, which for a large load, they'll tell you about that much. You don't even need that much, just 2 teaspoons. So this will go even longer than the bag says, and I've checked that with a lot of different people. This stuff is amazing because the difference that you're getting here, and I'm going to read this so I don't miss anything, is Norwex laundry detergent is free from phosphates, phthalates, fragrances, ammonia, optical brighteners, chlorine, dyes, fillers, and bleach. These are all things that are in standard cleaning products. And so what I did with my son, we did a little experiment, was borrowed some detergent from neighbors to see the different things that we're using. This was the one detergent that was not free and clear. It was not a free and clear brand. And you can see the dyes have still, we did this a week ago, have still not made the water clear. So all that's left in here is still on your clothes. The other 3, one was Norwex and the other 2 were other Norwex, one was Norwex and the other 2 were free and clear products that you find at your grocery store. And you can see they all came clear. Sometimes in different lights, the one had a whitening agent and you can see a little bit of purple in it, and that you can tell they're using as their optical brightener. But for all intents and purposes, you can see that it's done its free and clear job. Now, the ingredients in these are not going to be the same. So what I chose to do was compare the Norwex ingredient list with the ingredient list to the free and clear detergent that I was already using. But my point is simply that when you're laundering, that's your choice, right? But my point is that when you're laundering your cloths, you need to have it be in a free and clear detergent, because otherwise all the fillers and the dyes and the fragrances, the cloth is going to pick them all up, absorb them into your microfibers. It's not good for the cloth and for the life of your cloth, because you want this to last and last and last. The demo that I went to, the party that I first attended, she presented with a 5-year-old cloth, and it did the chicken test beautifully. So what you want to do is you want to, when the week is up and you need to launder your cloths, you're going to follow the instructions for the type of washer that you have. You're going to use a Norwex detergent or a free and clear detergent, and then you're going to make sure that you completely dry your cloth, whether that be in the dryer or in the sun or just hanging up, but you want it to be completely dry, and then you're ready to go and use it again. So don't use a detergent that has dyes, fragrances, and fillers. At the very least, head for a free and clear. And if you try the Norwex, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. I've been extremely pleased. The last thing I want to show you is the microfiber cleaner laundry booster. This is the way in which you give your cloths a deep clean, and you only have to do that about every 3 to 6 months. I did that the other night, and that's in another video. But you can also run it with a regular load if you have a particularly grimy load. It's a pretty awesome product. So that's the way that you properly take care of your cloth. Do that, and they're going to last you and last you and last you, which is pretty exciting because you're going to save a lot of money. Hope that your laundry is going to be cleaner and safer, and that you enjoy it and it works for you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.